Hey everybody, my name is Mario Cruz. I'm the UltraTech training guy, and today I'll be unboxing the Ultra Curb Guard Plus. The Ultra Curb Guard Plus is a stormwater management product that's designed to go into curb inlets and prevent any sediment or silt, trash and debris from going down into that curb inlet and into the stormwater system. When you take the Ultra Curb Guard Plus out of the box, it's essentially ready to go. The way this product works, or the way it gets installed, is simply you put this inside of the curb inlet. This is a 3-foot section. It also comes in a 4-foot section, and it's modular. So just depending on the size of the curb inlet, they can get up to 12, 14 feet long. You just add sections to make sure that it fits properly. It can also be cut down to size. So if you can't get that sweet spot, and you need to reduce the size a little bit, you can cut the sections off and then just replace after that cut has been made. But the way it works is that these foam wedges will go into the curb inlet, and this is what keeps the unit secure in that inlet, so that when the rain comes, whether it's a light drizzle or a heavy downfall, these are going to keep the unit in place and keep it from moving around. If you look closely, you can see that there are perforations. There's 2 sets of perforations on the top of the foam wedge, so that if you have a lower profile curb inlet, you can take off those perforations. Start, of course, with just the top one and see how that fits. If that one doesn't work, it still doesn't fit properly, then take that second one off. That should fit the majority of the drains out there. So these foam wedges are what's going to keep the unit in place. Then what does the actual filtering or the removal of the pollutants is this section right here. So inside is a PVC pipe. Then around that PVC pipe is a polyethylene netting, gives it this round shape. Then around that is this polypropylene mesh. And this is what's going to remove the sediment and the silt and the dirt, the trash and debris, the paper cups, cigarette butts, all that stuff. That's what's going to be removed from the stormwater flow and keep it from getting into the storm system. The mesh is large enough so that you have a good flow rate and you're not going to have ponding or flooding on the streets. Now, if there is a large amount of rainfall in a short amount of time, this is designed so that water can flow over the section right here. So it's an overflow, built-in overflow section, so that the water will go through untreated into the curb inlet. We would prefer that water go into the curb inlet untreated than to get backed up on the street and in the highway and cause a potentially dangerous situation. So there it is. That's the Curb Guard Plus. Pretty straightforward product, very simple to install, very quick to install, and does an outstanding job in removing those pollutants from the stormwater flow.